Joining me now from Neotech Metals, we have CEO and Director Reagan Glazier to introduce us to this Canadian explorer going after rare earths. Now, Reagan, please introduce us to Neotech Metals, the company, the team, your strategic nature.
Danielle, excited to be presenting here today, everybody. Neotech is a dedicated rare earth exploration company. We're new to the market, having just started trading in 2023, in which we've been aggressively expanding our portfolio on rare earth mineral exploration projects and aggressively developing our flagship project, Hecla-Kilmer, based in Northern Ontario, which is 15 kilometers away from an active railway and 180 megawatt hydroelectric power generation facility. The project ticks off many boxes for us. Number one, we have a consistent magnetic rare earth oxide concentration ratio compared to other deposits. The deposit is also featured uniquely within an apatite mineral, commonly mined here in Canada for its fertilizer potentials. The main constituents of that being that they're very easily leachable and processable compared to conventional rare earth deposits, which host monazites and bastnäsites that we see so often within North America, Europe, and Africa. Lastly, the size of this deposit is becoming quite large now as we are drilling the north and south end of this magnetic anomaly, over 3.5 kilometers long. That's viewable on some of our presentations, but overall, it seems like we're going to have a big home run here.
Tell us more about exploration so far at this flagship and also what you're hoping to achieve with the current drill program.
Our current 10,000 meter drill program is to bolster our geologic confidence within the deposit itself. We're aiming to put all of our drilling totaling around 25,000 meters together into our maiden resource estimate, which would be likely coming out around Q2 2026.
That's pretty soon. And I understand it's not just Hecla-Kilmer you're working on. You have another project, the TREO Project, located in BC, where you were also drilling just a few months ago.
Yes, this summer we were able to poke a few holes into our project in north central BC. It's a bit of a close-ology play with Defense Metals, where we've got our drills lined up just a few hundred meters from their pre-feasibility pit shell that is causing quite a stir in the markets right now, as they just received $250 million from the Canadian government to support the expanse and production of that project as a whole.
So tell us a little bit more about this macro environment you're working in. We are seeing big news bolstering rare earths pretty much every week.
Yeah, within the context of the rare earths as a whole, with them being so difficult to process, that's kind of why we've left China to do it the last 30 years. As a diversification strategy and to try and onshore some of the supply to either Canada or Europe or even Australia. The biggest hurdle has been processing. So we're coming to understand that now and realize that. And for us, it's a big win as we're filling this niche gap where our apatites are A, easily processable, B, in abundance, where we might have a chance at meeting a decent margin of market supply. So yeah, good stuff.
And tell us, what are those next big news flows for Neotech moving forward?
Yeah, like I said, compiling all of our drill results from our ongoing drill program now is going to be leading into our maiden resource estimate. That will be a big milestone for the company, as just a couple of years ago, it was basically just deemed a prospect. So aggressively working on metallurgy, we've got a rather large study that will probably lead into a pilot plant next year as well, helping us advance this project towards a PEA stage level project.
Well, it sounds very interesting. We know that rare earths are very hot right now, so we hope that your video interviews will not be rare moving forwards.
Yeah, thank you so very much, Danielle. Looking forward to the future. Bye.